And welcome to the daily space weather. We've seen a reduction here in solar activity. Let's take a look at it. Starting out with 94 angstroms from the SDO. We're showing 20 frames per second here. We've slowed things down a little bit since we're now making 3 daily space weather videos instead of only 1. We've compartmentalized the daily space weather. We've seen a dimming of the sun, and 94 angstroms is a good wavelength through which to view that dimming. We've also seen a reduction in the radio flux since yesterday. We'll get to it. First, the colorized magnetogram and 171 angstroms, a composite view. So we've got the most major sunspot group is 2948 down here in the southeast. And here's 171 angstroms by itself. If you didn't check out yesterday's daily space weather videos, we featured some fantastic imagery of the coronal mass ejection. That was all over the internet. And we always show specific footage. Some of the best footage you'll see of the closest star. The radio flux all the way down to 103 solar flux units. Here's the 1-year chart to put that in context. It's going to be way down here. So a bit of a downtick there in the radio flux, the most proportional number we have to sunspot number. And it's this black line is the radio flux. This red line below it, this is the sunspot number down here. And looking at the Space Weather Enthusiast dashboard, we see a coronal hole high-speed stream expected to arrive here on the 19th, late in the day, the 19th. So geomagnetic unrest, we can expect to see some more auroras happening from that in about 2.5 days. Let's check global seismicity here. We've got a 6.8 magnitude earthquake having happened in the past 24 hours. But all things considered, the 7 magnitude earthquake drought continues, folks. Still no 7 magnitude earthquake droughts since January 12th, I believe it was. Here's where the 6.8 magnitude quake happened. It happened at great depth, over 500 kilometers here, in between Fiji and New Zealand. They're in the southwestern Pacific. And let's consult the USGS list. Bunch of quakes there around California as well. No major magnitude quakes there. So it's a continuation of an earthquake lull here. That 6.8 happened at 2021 Universal Time. Besides that, not all that much to report on. Just some 5s and a mid-5 magnitude quake in the Sandwich Islands, the South Sandwich Islands region. Looking at the list of volcanoes here, we see some volcanic activity. Let's see what's going on. Subanose-jima is erupting. It's producing a 4,000-foot plume of volcanic ash. Sangiang Api, located in the Flores Sea of Indonesia. Discrete eruption. I don't see what's discrete about an over 3-mile high volcanic ash plume. It's a flight level 160. A 16,000-foot plume of volcanic ash over Indonesia from Sangiang Api. Yasur exploding as well. 2,000-foot ash plume from Yasur as it explodes. The Wolf volcano, located in the Galapagos, continues an effusive eruption, so an advancing lava flow on the southeast flank, and a very high thermal anomaly, 1,617 megawatts, detected by satellite. Fuego has been intensifying both in seismicity and its eruptions. So perhaps a larger eruption fixing to happen there at Fuego, currently producing about a 16,000-foot plume of volcanic ash there. That is located in Sangay in Ecuador exploding, flight level 250 from Sangay. Revenador in that same country of Ecuador exploding, flight level 150. It's a 15,000-foot ash plume, and we're unable to detect Sabancaya. That's located in Peru. Please do not attempt to pole vault the caldera. Please do visit our links and accept our welcome to the Neo-Renaissance. Congratulations on realizing that this channel exists. We're not so sure the algorithms have helped you to find the content. Let us know in the comments how you did discover our channel. And thanks everybody for tuning in. Please visit smashamash.com and our other links you can find below the video to support the channel. Perhaps pick up some merch. You can find links below the video and on the homepage to the merch as well. We've placed it in order of best selling. We just wanted to show you all the products. We've actually opened them all up throughout the month of February. We'll put up a limited selection coming in March. So there are all of our selections. Keep in mind, these merch items may or may not feature the opinions of Smash News Network, Least Busted Name and News. Thanks to everybody who's picked up merch. We're doing our part to make Earth not suck again. What are you doing? Perhaps consider becoming a member of the Smash team if you enjoy the content. If you'd like to see the videos continue to exist, smashamash.com/Smash team. We replaced Patreon with a superior site. For subscription services, we've only got 2 levels, the silver and gold levels. And there's a teaser. Sorry, we can't show you the convenient facts nor the SpaceX failure explained, unless you're a paid subscriber. Also, make sure you check out our Fields and Features segment coming next. In the meantime, may that solar wind be at your back.